Mr. Homeschool.
Hi, Mr. Homeschool here. So today's lesson is going to be all about how to tie a tie. So let's tie a tie together. I'll do it once facing you mirrored, and I'll do another time from my point of view. Okay, so you have your shirt on and your collar's popped, with the fat end on your right longer than the smaller end. The small end on your left should be about halfway up your chest. So now you're going to take your longer right side over your small left side and then wrap that side around once. And then go under and through the loop around your neck and then down through the first layer of the knot in front and then pull all the way through. And now while holding the back little end, you can bring up the knot all the way. And there you go. And then you just adjust yourself. There you go. Okay, so now let's do it from my point of view. Okay, so I have the short, thin side on the left and the long, wider side on the right. I go over the left, wrap it around, go under through the main loop, down under the first fold, bring it down, and tighten. Hey, thanks for coming with me to learn all about how to tie a tie. Hey, so what did the necktie say to the hat? You go on ahead, I'll just hang around. Hey, so if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more things like this, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and God bless you.
Mr. Homeschool.